Hello, how are you? Welcome to a new installment of your Pharmacy Assistant. On this occasion, we would talk about what it is used for and how it is used. So let's take a look.
Hey there, health enthusiasts. Today, I'm going to talk to you about an amazing supplement, Spirulina. We'll uncover everything you need to know about how and when to use it. First things first, what is spirulina? It's a blue-green algae that's packed with nutrients like protein, B vitamins, iron, and antioxidants. It's perfect for anyone looking for a natural boost to their health. So what's it good for? Spirulina can help us in a lot of ways. It strengthens the immune system, reduces inflammation, and can even help manage cholesterol. Some studies suggest that it also improves heart health and boosts energy. Great for athletes and active people. So how does it work its magic? Spirulina acts as a powerful antioxidant. It helps us fight off harmful molecules in our body and reduces something called oxidative stress. This can improve the health of our cells and, as a result, our overall health. Now let's talk dosage. It's recommended to start with a small dose of 1 to 3 grams per day. Over time, you can increase the amount up to 5 grams daily, depending on how you feel and your doctor's recommendations. You can take it in powder, tablet, or capsule form. Mix it in your smoothies, juices, or simply with water. But as with everything, we need to be cautious. Some people might experience side effects like nausea, headaches, or digestive discomfort. It's important to start with a low dose and see how your body reacts. And of course, always talk to your doctor before starting any new supplement. In short, spirulina is a powerful and versatile supplement. It can offer many health benefits, but it's essential to use it responsibly. So, if you're looking for a superfood to boost your health, spirulina might be your perfect match. Thanks for watching. I hope this quick guide was helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more health tips. See you next time.
If you've made it this far, let us know in the comments why you're using this medicine.